Presiden ke Hill State People's Democratic Party ubak kipi pangjang hak janmit si Thaw ding ula krensiat di ki Arngut ki MLA ki bala mino nak jingelang Thaw Sorkar dak baong bikilaja. Ula yatho bikini ki Arngut ki MLA jong ka Hspdp kila dan badu nadu mestem kal badangi lelang syayeng sa jong ba lakamen remboi halai mkhra re hadin katukan ni kenta kila mino nak te jaka ban om syam la syamshu sendan ki.
Along with the two MLAs this morning at 11 a.m. Actually, we came here in the residence of Mr. Lakman Ramboi, meeting with all the leaders of the various parties to discuss and to find solution how to form a new government in Meghalaya. But we are regretted to inform you that after 2 or 3 hours, they were here with us, but they have gone somewhere. Until now, we do not know where their space about. So that is the the information that we get right now. So we are very sorry that we do not know where their space about, and we are trying to find them, and we let us try to find where they are, and we want to speak, and we want to talk, and we want to settle if any problem thereof. So that is the message from the Hspdp party.
Kumba kapau, kini ki MLA ki berkentop yu Methodius Dakhar na Motion Road constituency, badu Shaklir Wajri na Motor Raishan constituency, kila Leit ban Kyrshan, ban Penklan ya ka NPP, ban Thaw ya ka Sorkar, kabalong ke Sinjam, kabala ya laj, nakajing tibu Presiden, jongkani ke Seng san bertai.